Hello YouTubers, whatever you want to call it. This is my paper gun first YouTube video. I'm gonna make a tutorial on this one. Go back, slide back, whatever. Clip. And like it could shoot, but I don't have no bullets. And let me show you the detail real quick. I got the curve handle. That's probably, I think, a very hard part to make. Yeah, and I make homemade guns too, so I'm gonna show you that too. This one, homemade, and like it works with the trigger. So yeah, that's the homemade. Pretty simple. Some people use this trigger, but I don't. I just blah blah blah. I'll just use the hammer. And I also make the Lego guns. Yeah, this is one of them. Based on the M14. You want to see the sights? Just move away the sides. Then this is easy. I can make a quick tutorial. I might just like after this video. And then like here's my MP40. The yellow right here is the handle. Let's see if you can see it. Alright, there's the handle, and this right here is the magazine, and then the barrel all the way followed to the muzzle, and then front sight. Yep. That's about it. Let me show you a quick little pistol. This is something special to me. My first gun. I have to put, here's the clip, it's little. Yeah, that's basically, so far, I'm new to this paper gun, so, yeah, that's it. This is my first YouTube video, so none of y'all have seen my videos today or let's see, here's another crappy pistol. I'm probably gonna give this away. It slides back, but like, you know how this right here has the little line, that line right there, that means semi-automatic, and this one, it doesn't have the line, so this is single shot. And single shot is like, you pull the trigger, then you pull the trigger. But semi-automatic is when you just pull the trigger. Ba 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 ba. And right here, with this, which is single shot, is like, and then wish I had an AK. That I had AK, so I could go show you what automatic is, but you all should know what automatic is. So that's it. That's my first YouTube video. Hope you like it.